In this video we will learn, is Duolingo good for learning German? Duolingo can be a helpful tool to learn German, particularly for many beginners or those looking to reinforce basic vocabulary or grammar. Its gamified approach makes learning engaging and allows users to progress through bite-sized lessons at their own pace. Duolingo offers a variety of exercises that cover writing, reading, listening and speaking. These all help develop a balanced set of skills to learn German. In the apps, there is an emphasis on repetition and also aiding reinforcing key concepts and vocabulary. However, Duolingo has its limitations, especially for more advanced learners. It may not provide enough depth, an exploration of complex grammar points, and offer the opportunity for a meaningful real-world conversation. While Duolingo is great for building fun foundation in German, learners who really want to reach a high level of fluency should consider supplementing it with additional resources, such as grammar books, language exchange, or immersive practice. Overall, Duolingo is fun and an accessible way to start learning German today, but it's most effective when combined with other study methods.